Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to access Clipboard history on your MacBook. Let's begin. First, on your Mac desktop, go to the top menu bar and click on Edit. From the drop-down, select Show Clipboard. This will show you the most recent text or item you copied. But remember, the default Mac Clipboard only stores one item at a time. If you want to save multiple copied items, and also see which app each item came from, here's the best way to do it. Open the App Store. Now search for an app called Paste. It's a powerful clipboard manager for Mac. Go ahead and install it. After installation, open the Paste app. You'll immediately see a timeline of everything you've copied, text, links, images, and more. The best part is, Paste clearly shows the icon of the app where each copied item came from. This makes it super easy to track and organize your copied content. You can also create folders and save your important copied items so you can use them anytime. And that's it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.